Hey guys, since today's I was having issue with opening .avi extension file in Sony Vegas Pro 15, and this is the error I was getting while opening this AVI extension file. It was saying an error occurred while opening the codec. So I tried to check out the details of this error. I tried to check out the file format to fix this issue, but it didn't help me out. I also explored the Sony Vegas Pro 15 settings, but no luck. I wasn't able to get any help from there as well. So I start searching online help and download few softwares like Media Player, Codec Pack, K-Lite Codec Pack, X264VFW, which is a well-known X264 encoder plus FFH264 decoder. I downloaded all the recommended software and installed it on my system one by one to check whether it could help me out with this error or not. But believe me, nothing has helped me out. Nothing has worked with this file format, and Sony Vegas Pro throws the same error again and again after installing all these kinds of software. What this software did to my system is that it has downloaded and installed some additional software without my permission, which raised my suspicion towards the vulnerability of my system. I also download and install QuickTime 7 for Windows to resolve this issue, but it also didn't help me out with this error. So I quit, finally stopped experimenting with my system, installing third-party software on my system. But today, after 24 hours, I finally got this issue resolved. So bear with me if you are having the same issue. I tried once more today after 24 hours, and I didn't believe that in a very first go I was able to resolve this issue, resolve this problem of opening .avi format file in Sony Vegas Pro. I was able to get the same error when I tried once more. So friends, in order to fix this issue, you need to download and install K-Lite Codec Mega Pack on your system. After installing it, I was able to open AVI file format in Sony Vegas Pro 15. After downloading K-Lite Codec Mega Pack, just double click on it for installation process. Go with the advanced installation option. From component section, you can select the profile. Select any profile, whatever work for you, 1 or 9. Select logarithm and Huffy UV from VF video codec from component section, and then click on next for additional tasks and options. From there you can select everything from tweet section. Disable, check for update if any, if you wish to, then go to next and then next. Select all video from file association for media player. Select all from thumbnails as well. If you are getting an option to install any additional software, then please disable it and then click on next to install this software. Once it is done, allow it to update Microsoft DirectX. Now you are ready to go. Just click on finish. Go to your Sony Vegas Pro and try to open the AVI file format. And voila, you would be able to open your AVI file format now in Sony Vegas Pro 15. Put it on the timeline and check it whether Sony Vegas Pro is able to play it or not. So that's all for today's friends. Thanks a lot for watching.